ahead. You see me now? Come on, let's get it over with.
Fight's on! What is with these two?
All right, you put us here. How are you gonna get yourself out?
You can bail out anytime!
How low you wanna go, Rooster?
I can go as low as you, sir, and that's saying something!
What's past is past, for both of us.
You'd like to believe that, wouldn't you?
Hard deck is 5,000 feet, fellas. You're running out of room.
Altitude.
Your strategy is about to run us into the ground. What's your move?
Altitude. 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 Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up!
Now you got it. Don't think, just do.
Come on, Rooster, you got him. Drop down and take the shot. It's too low.
Too late. You had your chance. That's a kill. Not enough.